Alright, hello guys, good morning. Okay, first time I tell you about the destination of the Sikur. We have to come to one of the tourism destination in Sikur. South Strip, the Tete Batu Village, which is in Kembang Kuning. This is tourism attraction is one of the natural tourism attraction is one of the natural tourism attraction. One by is Lombok. So today we are heading on a very long journey through exotic plants. During this is fairly long journey, we also saw a very dense forest that we faced through during the trip. At the very a deep waterfall as we saw the jeruk manis waterfall tourism destination both stunning natural beauty and we were able to take photo with all your friend. So to Claudette, this is tour is a wall like to do that say something and I say thank you for your watching my video and you watching my video after my vlog and I wanna say thank you very much and say goodbye and bye.
Goodbye, my love. It's time to say goodbye. Our journey together has come.